I don't know. Is this good? I think it's better. This is a different video, guys. For sure, you can notice the different looking of the channel. I'm trying to improve the quality of image, and I'm trying to get better and better on this making videos. This is not my job. I have two other jobs, and you know that this is for me just a relaxing moment. Now it's several years that I'm here on YouTube. This is just my attempt to share my passion with you. When I was child, I fall in love with Dungeons and Dragons, then with HeroQuest, Warhammer, and so on and so on. In those years, inspiration just came from, issues, reviews, and papers. Now it's possible to share the passion here on YouTube. And for me, having you watching me, it's like have old friends with whom share this beautiful passion for this gaming and stuff. I'm trying to get better, and basically this video is the proof that something is changing. I want to be more me and less, just mechanical. You need to know that I'm not English, I'm not American, I'm Italian, so for me it's not so easy to speak in English. I never study English in my life. I just learn English through movies and video games. So this is why my language is so a little bit awkward and not so smooth. So my apologies for that. Uh, I will try to be more genuine. I will show you more stuff that are going on during this beautiful new season. Here in Italy, we are waiting the last expansion for HeroQuest. So we are waiting the Crypt of the Eternal Darkness, and still is not here in my studio. First Light game system, that is actually the new version of the base game in HeroQuest. We will deal with that. In this moment, I'm starting my collection for the Combat Patrol Warhammer 40k, and I started with a couple of episodes. They are great, and they help me, to share this new stuff with you. In the past, I built a lot of sci-fi terrain, and for Necromunda, for example, and Kill Team. But I never played actually Warhammer 40k. I don't know exactly the rules, and I don't have so many minis. So this is the perfect way to start with you this collection. The main argument, the main topic on this channel is the construction of fantasy buildings. And this will be a beautiful chapter this year because I will start a big project that is a Mordheim table. A lot of my friends play Mordheim, and I was helping them with the construction of some terrains. But now it's time to put all my efforts to a big project that will bring you in all the phases of the construction. The project with the strategy of the terrain, the realization from 0 to 100 of a beautiful sector of Mordheim. I'm planning to integrate also my keep in this part of town, so this will be a big Mordheim table. I'm preparing something very special for this autumn. The construction will start very soon, and then I'm going to proceed through all this autumn, winter, and maybe also spring. So this will be a beautiful, single, great project that will include the construction of rivers, environments, dungeons also, and a lot of crushed and crumbled houses. This is me at my best. Hope you enjoy this adventure with me. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you all in the next episode. In the meantime, happy crafting!